Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur video background on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, I'm going to open a project I have just created on InShot. I'm going to go to the video menu, and then this is my project, and I'm going to open it. Okay, and I'm going to blur the background of this video. If we want to blur background, we can use InShot effect. You can go to the effect and then select the AI effect. Okay, and you have to scroll all the way to the right around here to find the blur effect. Click on this blur effect and you have to select ghost. Click on this effect, and as you can see that the background has been blurred, and you can customize how blurred you want it to be, and I'm going to make it super blur like this. Okay, then we can click on the check mark, and this is the final result. But wait, I'm going to extend the effect to make it align with my video, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to blur video background on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.